Hi, it's Gordon here at Avolites, and I'm going to take you through the layout in the Titan Surface. The first thing to be aware of is this set of keys on the right hand side of the screen. They'll also be on the right hand side of the screen if you're on a Titan mobile or if you're on any of the consoles. These are the soft keys. They go to the most useful thing that you have told the desk that you're doing. The next set of buttons to have a look at are these dark grey keys. You might see these dark grey keys in slightly different places depending on what surface you're working on. These are called the hard keys. These never change their function and are always at your fingertips wherever you need them. Next we have the numeric keypad. This can be used for typing in times or indeed grabbing things like fixtures by their user numbers. The most important buttons on this numeric keypad are exit, which will take you one step back in a soft key menu. For example, if I go into this menu and I tap exit, it's going to take me one step back. Tap exit again, it's going to take me one step back again. This Avolites button is used to get into a number of options if you hold it down. If you're on the Titan Go interface, you can do this by right clicking. If you're ever really deep inside a menu and you want to get straight back to the beginning, you can hold down the Avolites button and tap exit. This will get you completely out of whatever menu you have been in before. Next, we've got the instruction or function buttons. These are where we can tell the console what we would like to do. If you ever want the console to do something, tell the console. So, as an example, I'm going to say move. I'm going to select this group that I have, and you can see it's gone red. I'm now going to select a new location. I've told the console what I want to do using these instruction buttons. I've told the console what I want to do it to. I've then chosen the end result. Next, we have our dedicated cue list section. These are the buttons down here on the Titan Go interface, and they're on a very similar place on every console in the Avolites fleet. Here I can tell the console what queue I'd like to go to. Queue 5, go. I can also stop any transitions that are happening. I can also preview times or just jump to the next queue and jump to the previous queue. Next we have our playback buttons. These are blue and grey. And by default, the blue buttons will swap anything that's coming out of your console at the moment to just the information that's stored inside this playback. By default, the grey buttons are flash buttons, and this will just temporarily add in what you have stored in this playback. Next we have the attribute bank. This is where we can select what attributes we'd like to control on our encoder wheels. If I select these fixtures, I have eye highlighted at the moment, and this means that I'm controlling intensity. If I tap position, I'll be able to see pan and tilt information, color, gobo, beam, effect, special, and effects here is an attribute that is just for the console. The clear button, if you press it once, it will clear your programmer. Titan works via a programmer system, and this will come in handy in so many future videos. That's the basics of the buttons on the Titan Surface. Thanks for watching, and tune in to the next one.